Howdy. It has been 3 days since we started the PDF link check project, and now it is stable. It's not good. It's like if you built a sandwich shop and, within a day of making a sandwich, you said, you know what, we should sell this sandwich. It's a TK enter interface. As you can see, it's not pretty, but it does what it needs to do. Let's see, so these are some PDFs. Run analysis. Look at that, there's no hyperlinks found. So this uses the py-mu PDF library. This one has hyperlinks. It's going to take a second. It's a pretty big file. So I do my build. I have a GitHub workflows build.yaml file, and it handles builds for Windows, Ubuntu, and Mac OS. And now I'm testing on a server I can access through my phone. So I'll show you, maybe, if I can navigate properly. Alright, so we need an export button. We need a better scroll button. We need a license button. So this is the AGPL. The license is with the source code, and it's on PyPy, and it's on GitHub. But just to make Stallman happy, we need a button down here somewhere that says license information, and it tells you which packages are used. Let's go to the actual PDF file. Cool. So as you can see, if I click on links, it takes me places. There is a, I do have one concern for the pages being non-accurate. If we look at our TK enter interface, you'll notice here. Nope, not there. Yeah, here. Page 15, index 10, page 15, index 11. They say that they go to page 16. They do not. They're on the same page. I think the jumps to page number might be +1 of what it should be. But anyway, so this is like, hey, I expect there to be a link somewhere, and there's not. This report can just tell you there is a link there. I need to add more features. The py-mu PDF library does a lot more. We can actually, let's see. Let's take you home. Did we do that? Yeah, we did that. Okay, this is the meat and potatoes. It's a CLI and a GUI over these things. We actually don't need this anymore. Let's destroy it. Get PDF. Is it being used anywhere? No, it is not. Those are the old days. Control 6. Up, 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 up. Control K. Control O. Wonderful. Anyways, moving on. So this is the logic and the report printing relevant to py_mu_pdf. We could probably modularize these a little more. We definitely could. Make it available as a library. Make it available as an API. But there's opportunity here to kind of go beyond this like printed report thing to kind of help with the analysis of your links. I'm not sure how, but if you have any ideas, we're in a pretty good spot to add features. Again, this is the AGPL. We are on pipx 1.1.26. PyPy is asking for donations. And we've got some binaries. Yeah, we do. And they're big. They're huge. Why are they so big? Because py_mu_pdf is big. Ain't that the way it is? There was a picture in the README of the GUI. I should probably put that back. It was right there at the top. The AGPL. Alright, thanks for watching. This has been PDF link check. Check the links in your PDFs. Make sure they're what they expect you are.